Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making some breakfast for my husband. So, yeah, welcome back and I'm happy to have you guys. First, I'm starting off with some bacon. He loves pork, so yeah, I'm giving him some bacon and we're gonna pop that in the oven. I have my oven preheated at 375. We're gonna get these bacon nice and toasty. Now let's move on to the pancake. Today I'm making cinnamon rolls pancake. I'm adding 2 eggs. I'm going to add 1 and 3/4 cups of milk, whole milk or whatever milk you want to use. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Next I'm adding 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 2 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder and just a pinch of salt. I also want to say thanks to everyone who took the time out to say happy birthday to my husband. We really appreciate your kind words. And yeah, thank you so much. Now we're going to go ahead and whisk this until everything is smooth, all the lumps are gone, and we're going to go ahead and cover it and allow it to rest. Allowing the butter to rest will give you a nice lighter and fluffier pancakes. Alright, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. So while our butter is resting, we're going to go ahead and make our cinnamon sugar, and this all depending on the amount of pancakes that you're making. I did make more cinnamon sugar than I needed, so you can cut this recipe in half. I use a 1/4 stick of butter. I use 2.5 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, and I added a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And to that I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of my pancake batter. All right, we're going to stir this around and we're going to put it in whatever you have. If you have any form of plastic bag, or if you have piping bag, that works perfect, and that's what I will be using. Once all your mixture is combined, it should be nice and smooth and easy to come through your piping bag, just like this. So I'm going to go ahead, pour it in my piping bag, and then we're going to head over to the stove. I normally just put enough butter for my pan to grease. I don't like too much butter when I'm making my pancake, but it's totally up to you. I also like to use like a measuring cup or something, just so that I can have the exact same size of pancake, whatever you want to use. Just go ahead and use that. Once your pancake starts to form the bubble on top, that's when you're going to go ahead and add your cinnamon sugar. If you add it too early, then your cinnamon sugar is just going to run right off the pancake. It's not going to stick. All right, so there are 2 ways you can do this. You can flip it and get the cinnamon sugar nice and toasty like this, or you can go ahead and once your bubbles form, make your swirl with your cinnamon sugar, and then you're gonna go ahead and cover the pot. All right, just cover it up and allow it to steam just a little bit, just enough so that the cinnamon sugar can get to imprint into the pancake. Once it's imprinted, it's not going anywhere. You can just go ahead and flip it now and get that side a little bit toasty, and then you'll have some beautiful cinnamon swirl just like this. Now you can go ahead and use regular pancake syrup, or since we're making cinnamon rolls pancake, we're gonna go ahead and make some cream cheese icing. I added a 1/4 stick of butter and about 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we're combining that with our 2 cups of icing sugar. All right, we're gonna just whip that around until it's smooth, and we're gonna set it aside. Now for the last breakfast item, it's going to be sausage, and this sausage is pork and chicken sausage. I'm just getting them a little toasty. I'm going to remove them, remove the excess oil, and then I'm going to add some ketchup, some Polynesian sauce, and just a little bit of hot sauce and black pepper. That's it. Another way that I normally cook sausage for my kids is I fry up some onions, bell peppers, tomatoes, and then I add my fried sausage to that along with some ketchup and just a little bit of water, and they used to enjoy it. So you can probably try that way, or you can just do a plain sauce just like this. All right, so breakfast is ready. So from this pancake batter, I got 6 large pancake and an extra large pancake from myself. All right, and the kids, some of the kids were home, so they had breakfast with their dad for his birthday.
Yeah, my peeps, good morning, good morning, good morning. Breakfast time it is, man. It's so good being 50. Wife cook up a storm. Little bit of this for me. Punchy bacon. Mini sausage. Oh, them pancake look, wow. I'm showing you something and something normal. Them pancake look wow. You see it? Look at that. So yeah. Hurry up and reach 50. Alright. Big 5-0. Breakfast turn up. The bacon them not even burn up.
Chilla, you want?
Oh. Yeah? Okay. I want to make you catch a bite without her, you know. If I egg sheen I read.
Broke off me. One bite.
So yeah, my peeps. 50 down, 50 more to go. Alright.
Thanks for watching. Say bye, Chilani.
Cheers.
Bye.
Freshly squeezed orange juice, not from the jug.
She has to buy and I look for the food same time.